Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm John, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mary. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Today's episode is very special and very relaxing.
Yes, today we're talking about something everyone loves.
Exactly. Our topic today is talking about vacation.
John, just saying the word vacation makes me feel relaxed already.
Me too. Vacation means rest, travel, fun, and good memories.
And today we'll help our listeners talk about vacation in easy English.
Yes, very simple words, very natural sentences, just like native speakers.
Don't worry about grammar too much.
Yes, relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
So, John, how are you today?
I'm feeling good. A little tired, but good.
Same here. Busy but happy.
Busy but happy. That's a good phrase.
Yes, everyone can use that.
By the way, are you drinking coffee or tea today?
Coffee, of course. What about you?
Coffee too. Vacation talk needs coffee.
True.
Mary, let me ask you a simple question.
Okay.
Do you like vacations?
Yes, I love vacations.
That was easy.
Yes, you can say, I like vacations. I love vacations.
Very simple English. Now, let's practice talking about when.
Good idea.
Mary, when do you usually take a vacation?
I usually take a vacation in summer.
Nice. I usually take a vacation in summer.
Or you can say, I take a vacation in August. I take a vacation in December.
Simple sentences. Very useful. Now, let's talk about where.
Okay.
Mary, where you like to go on vacation?
I like to go to the beach.
That's a great answer.
You can also say, I like to go to the mountains. I like to travel to another country. I like to stay at home.
Yes, staying at home is also a vacation.
Let's stop for a moment and teach some easy vacation words.
Good idea.
Vacation, holiday, travel, trip, hotel, beach, mountain, airport, plane.
Very good. Short words, easy words.
You don't need big words to speak good English.
Now, let's talk about who.
Yes,
Mary, who do you go on vacation with?
I go on vacation with my family.
Nice.
You can also say, I go with my friends, I go with my husband, I go alone.
All are correct. Mary, where do you stay on vacation?
I usually stay in a hotel.
Good sentence.
You can also say, I stay in a small hotel, I stay in an apartment, I stay at my friend's house.
Very natural English.
Now let's practice common questions.
Yes, listen and repeat at home.
Where did you go on vacation? When did you go? Who did you go with? How long was your vacation?
These questions are very common.
You will hear them a lot.
Mary, how long was your last vacation?
My last vacation was 1 week.
Good.
You can also say, it was 3 days, it was 2 weeks, it was very short, it was long.
Mary, how did you feel on your vacation?
I felt relaxed and happy.
Nice sentence.
You can say, I felt tired but happy, I felt excited, I felt calm.
Talking about feelings is very important.
Let's do a short role play.
Okay,
I'll ask, you answer.
ready.
Hi, John. Did you go on vacation?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my family.
How was it?
It was great.
Perfect.
Here's an important tip.
Yes, listen carefully.
You don't need long answers.
Short answers are okay.
Native speakers use short answers all the time.
Let's take a short breath.
Relax your shoulders.
Smile.
Learning English should feel good.
In this section, we talked about when you go on vacation, where you go, who you go with, how long it is.
Very simple English.
Very useful English.
In Session 1, we talked about when, where, and who.
Now, in this session, too, we'll talk about what you do on vacation.
Mary, let me ask you a simple question.
Okay.
What do you usually do on vacation?
I usually relax.
That's a perfect answer.
You can say, I relax, I rest, I sleep a lot.
Very simple English. Mary, what else do people do on vacation?
Many things.
Like what?
People swim, people walk, people take photos, people shop.
Great vocabulary.
You don't need difficult words.
Just clear words.
Let's practice easy sentences.
Repeat after us at home.
I swim at the beach. I walk around the city. I take many photos. I buy souvenirs.
Excellent. Now let's talk about food.
My favorite topic.
Mine too.
Food is very important on vacation.
Mary, what do you eat on vacation?
I try local food.
Good sentence.
You can say, I eat local food. I try new food. I eat street food.
Very natural English.
Let's describe food.
Use easy words.
Delicious, spicy, sweet, salty, fresh.
Simple and useful.
Let's do a short conversation.
Okay.
Pretend we meet after vacation. Hi, John. How was your vacation?
It was great.
Where did you go?
I went to the mountains.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
What did you do there?
I walked a lot. I took photos. I relaxed.
Sounds nice.
It was very relaxing.
Let's talk about common mistakes.
Yes, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Instead of saying, I very enjoyed,
Say, I really enjoyed.
instead of, I am very relaxed,
Say, I am very relaxed.
you are doing great.
Yes, really.
Even listening is learning. Speaking will come.
Mary, let's talk about coming back home.
Yes, this is an important part.
After vacation, people often say,
I'm back.
very simple.
When you return, you can say, I'm back home. I came back yesterday. I arrived this morning.
Easy and useful sentences. Mary, how do you feel after vacation?
Sometimes happy, sometimes tired.
Very honest.
You can say, I feel happy. I feel tired. I miss my vacation.
All correct.
After vacation, life starts again.
Work or school?
You can say, I'm back at work. I'm back at school. I start work tomorrow.
Very natural English. Now let's talk about the future.
This is very important for beginners. We use will for simple future plans.
For example,
I will rest tomorrow. I will go back to work. I will plan my next vacation.
perfect. What about going to?
We use it for plans.
Examples?
I'm going to visit my family. I'm going to save money. I'm going to travel again.
Very clear.
Let's practice together.
Okay.
What will you do after vacation?
I will rest.
What are you going to do next month?
I'm going to travel again.
Excellent.
Let's review important phrases.
Repeat after us. I went on vacation. I traveled with my family. I stayed for 1 week. I relaxed and enjoyed it. I'm back home now. I will plan my next trip.
Great job.
Many beginners feel afraid.
Afraid to speak.
Afraid of mistakes.
but mistakes are normal.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Here's our advice.
Speak slowly.
Use easy words.
Short sentences are perfect.
You don't need perfect English.
Listen again and again.
Pause the video.
Repeat the sentences.
Practice every day.
Let's finish with one last conversation.
Hi, Mary. How was your vacation?
It was relaxing.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
What did you do?
I swam, I ate good food, and I rested.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, now I'm back home.
Thank you for learning with us.
You are doing great.
Your English is improving.
One step at a time.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and share with your friends.
This is Daily English Practice.
See you next time.
Bye for now.